Setting up the document camera is as easy as plugging it in. Plug this end of the cord here and the other end into your computer. To turn on the document camera, slide the power button located here. The neck of the camera has 8 buttons that control a feature of the camera. Each button is labeled on both sides of the neck of the camera. Starting at the top of the neck, the first button turns on the camera's light. Depending on the lighting in your room, this may be helpful. Next is the filter button. There are a variety of color filters that are preloaded in the camera that might be able to see your subject a bit clearer. Below the filter button is the rotate button that you can use if your picture is the wrong orientation. Under that will probably be the most used button, and that is zoom. To zoom in, click the upper button, and to zoom out, select the lower button. The next 2 buttons are the exposure increase and decrease buttons. Increasing the exposure will make the image appear lighter, and decreasing the exposure darkens the image shown. The last button before the power button is the blue focus button. Press this button once if your image is out of focus. There are also a few buttons on the base of the document camera. The 5 light indicators show the camera's battery. To check the battery, select the blue button below the lights. You can also move the arm of the document camera up and down and swivel the camera. You can tell what direction the camera is facing by looking here. The orientation of this is the orientation of your camera.